Hello friends, good morning. I'm Gul Rajput and you are watching my channel. मैं फिर हाजिर हूँ आपकी खिदमत में बहुत ही बेहतरीन कंटेंट के साथ. So this is the first part and the second part also will follow soon. I hope you will enjoy. Hello, अस्सलाम वालेकुम and नमस्ते. I hope you all are doing super और आपकी दुआ से I am doing super fantastic. This was my early morning clip. Must be around 6:37 and I came across these two pretty birds. So I decided to capture this so that you all can enjoy. I hope you are enjoying watching these two beautiful birds. So practically morning I was doing bird watching. And that's me who was whistling. आपको क्या लगा? It was the birds? No. That's actually me. That's the most beautiful sound in the world. तो ये अनबॉक्सिंग मैंने काफ़ी पहले करी थी, तो ये वीडियो मैं अब अटैच कर रही हूँ. सो दिस इज़ अनबॉक्सिंग ऑफ अगारो टोस्टर. तो ये था अगारो का टोस्टर और आया इसके साथ ये मैनुअल. एंड आफ्टर गोइंग थ्रू द मैनुअल दे हैड गिवन अ स्कैन कोड देयर, सो यू कैन ऑल्सो स्कैन थ्रू दिस कार्ड एज वेल. So I've shown the process in a very precise manner, but it's very easy to follow. They have made it very easy. So this is the white toaster. I really like the make and model. Okay, and it's a very smart one. 2 bread slice आप टोस्ट कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर. Okay, आगे की ये वीडियो में, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैंने वो भी कैप्चर किया है आपके लिए. तो ये नॉब्स है जिस पे 1 2 3 4 लगे हैं. ऑल राइट, कितना अगर आपको लाइट टोस्ट चाहिए तो 1 और 2 पे रखे, डार्क चाहिए तो 3 पे रखे, उसके ऊपर तो जल ही जाएगा. और ये 2 स्लॉट्स हैं जिसमें आप ब्रेड डाल सकते हैं. और नीचे की बेस में ना वो क्या बोलते हैं, ब्रेड क्रम्स को कलेक्ट करने का ट्रे है. तो बड़ा ही अच्छा मॉडल है ये, बहुत ही प्रिटी है. आई रियली लाइक्ड इट, दैट्स व्हाई आई वेंट अहेड विद अगारो. क्रम ट्रे बोलते हैं उसको, क्रम ट्रे. एंड विद दिस देयर इज़ वन स्टैंड, ओके, विच यू हैव टू फिक्स इट ओवर देयर सो यू कैन वार्म अप योर croissant और मे बी अ केक, ब्रेड केक, उसको वार्म कर सकते हैं. आई थिंक उसका पर्पस वही है. इफ कुछ अलग है तो ज़रूर बताइए मुझे. नाउ लेट्स क्विकली सी हाउ टू रजिस्टर. सो टू रजिस्टर हियर यू हैव टू स्कैन द कोड. ऑल राइट, सो यू जस्ट नीड टू गो टू योर दैट ऑप्शन देयर, यू कैन सी इन योर गूगल. क्लिक देयर. सो द मोमेंट you scan, you will see that link. Just click on that link and that link will take you to the registration page. It's very much important that you keep your invoice number and all handy, because that invoice number and all those details you need to update over there. After you update over there, that's when it will get registered. Friends, now let's visit a fantastic tea shop nestled in the heart of Koramangala opposite BSNL. We had amazing time here. We have tasted their snacks. We have also tasted the tea, which is out of this world. The owner is extremely respectful and humble and was very kind enough to take us through his delicious chocolate tea. If you're looking for great tea and snacks, you should visit here. All their snack items are extremely fresh. I am very fond of cooking.
Okay.
My only purpose of my channel is to let people know that if I can cook, you can definitely cook.
Sure. Even my cooking journey started after me marrying to my wife.
Okay.
Before that, I was not at all cooking. I was.
This is getting recorded, huh?
Not at all. So only after me getting married, I started cooking.
Awesome.
All with my own just things. Like I don't. I try to take do all the experiment in cooking.
Okay. You have got amazing control over that tea pan, huh?
Because of this thing, like that is very fast. So we need to have.
So what you added? You added tea powder?
It's a tea powder, just it is. Like it has got all the things. The chocolate, it's a called tea, this thing.
Achha, that tea powder itself has got.
You can have a essence of it. It's a chocolate blend flavor.
Wow. Friends, check this. This is a chocolate tea powder. Amazing. Really smells great.
So I got some customers who only come for this chocolate tea.
I see.
Especially the girls. They come, they take the 2 cups, parcel it, they go.
Awesome. But I'm really dying to taste this. I was completely inspired by this. In part 2, you will see chocolate tea in my style. So if you have liked anything so far, don't forget to give your like and subscribe. That's chocolate tea, my dear friends. No, पियो. अरे हमें चाहिए ना, लोग तो चाहिए ना. How is it, Aryan? The chocolate tea. Oh?
It's good.
Just good. Say something more.
It has this unique flavor.
It's worth it?
Yes. When I'm taking a sip, right? वो cocoa का. Yeah, I'm getting that. It's like it's bursting in my mouth.
Yeah, that means the cocoa is of a very good quality, very good flavor. Okay, that's why it is tasting very nice. So all those watching, do visit this shop if you live in Korma or if you're passing by. That's it, friends. This was it. So this is the place that has influenced me into making this video and also the second part. So stay tuned. Don't go as yet, because on this video itself, I'm going to show you how to make homemade cheese spread. So let's quickly get started with boiling of the milk. To make this cheese, I have taken half liter milk, and to this we will be adding a synthetic vinegar to split it. So to this milk I've added 2 teaspoons synthetic vinegar. Gave it a good mix. I switched off the gas, drained, washed in 1 water, and added the whole thing to this blender. We want a soft texture as we are making cheese spread. To this I added 2 tablespoons butter, salted, and 1/3 cup cream. That clip went missing where I added milk here. So milk you need to add 1/4 cup, a pinch of salt, and then we need to blend this whole thing to a smooth paste. If you're not getting a smooth paste, then you can add more milk. Smooth paste, not chunky, remember. After blending, this is how it looks. What I mean is the texture should be spreadable. I then transferred this to a glass jar, this cheese spread. This is a very rich and delicious cheese spread. There are no artificial preservatives in this. So definitely you will be making this again and again, as I do. And this was so quick to make. That's the best part of it. I really enjoyed making this. And this will be an excellent accompaniment for tea, bread, butter, jam. Amazing. So stay tuned, because there is a second part. Don't miss the second part, and take very good care of yourself. Be safe. Don't forget to give your like, share, subscribe. Good food, good mood. And until we meet next, don't forget to eat, love and pray. Bye.